The Kaya FM Soul and Jazz Cruise.
Yeah, absolutely great. We're just asking for better weather over the next couple of days.
Oh man, it's wonderful, it's wonderful. I'm relaxed, the weather is glorious. Oh my, best people are here. It's gorgeous.
And looking forward to the Louis Vega Elements of Life.
You can't go wrong with Louis Vega, you know. He played on my show on Friday. I did a whole 30-minute set. It was really incredible. He's unstoppable. You know, you see him once, that's just that. You gotta see him again.
Thanks a lot.
Just where to go, and all the good times that I know have gone and left me all alone. All alone I'll never be, as long as you are here with me.